Welcome to Tooling Around. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today I have a budget-friendly welder offered on Amazon. It's a product by Maysent. It's a 4-in-1 gas MIG, flux, stick, and lift TIG 200 amp multi-processing welding unit. So let's unbox it, check it out, and see what it's got to offer. So I haven't seen one of these before. This is the little small mask, I guess, that you hold up and can use. Let's try to assemble this. Doesn't look that hard. I guess it offers some protection. Thinking there's a handle in here somewhere for this. There it is. Alrighty. This might be good for somebody standing by, watching you weld. Your son or wife or somebody wanting to check it out. Wouldn't work too bad. Alright. In the manual, you're not going to find a whole lot of information. They give you some simple instructions on how to install the machine, how to hook it up, gas, no gas, CO2, flux. Yeah, pretty basic. They don't really offer much more than that, so I guess you're gonna have to go in there and play with the settings, a little trial and error. Here is our grounding clamp and stinger. Grounding clamp, I'm thinking it's copper. Stinger. Again, they have that little directional arrow in there, which kind of helps you angle that stick at different angles. That's useful. The whips are decent. They're not too bad. Here's our MIG gun. Consumables, we have another gas tip and some little tool here, a little hex head tool. I'm not sure what that's for. The MIG gun is nice. It's got a good feel to it. Compact. Good trigger. You know, the gauge on these whips, on these budget-friendly units, they're decent. They're not bad at all. Now I do notice this one's on the short side. I'm thinking probably 6 foot. Some of them, most of them are 10, but the thickness, it's got a good rubber feel to it. Feels nice. We have an adapter. Goes from the 110 to the 220. You know they have to include the wire brush. The old trusty wire brush, chip and hammer. So, here she is. Not bad. It's got a large handle, something you could grab with 2 hands. Most of them have that little single handle. I like that large handle on top. So here it is, currently on Amazon for $225. You can bring this home, the Maysent 200 amp 4-in-1 multi-processor. You can change the polarity here right in the front. Gas, no gas. That's where your MIG gun goes. 2 knobs and a mode button. I like the door, how it swings open from right to left on a hinge, kind of like a standard door. Room for 2 10-pound spool of wire. The motor to your wire feed. Around back we have a very thick power cord, on off switch, and a threaded gas fitting, not the barb with the clamp style. So here on the back we have our duty cycle information. 240 volts. It claims at 155 amps you're getting 100% duty cycle, and at 200 you're getting 60%. 120 you're getting 100% 124 amps, and 60% 160 amps. Now duty cycle, in case you don't know, in a 10-minute period, if you have a 60% duty cycle, then that means out of 10 minutes you can run for 6 minutes straight. Yeah, so I don't know, we'll see about that. It's got a really sleek control panel, very simple. We have 3, 4, 5 different modes. The first one is a flux MIG. Second one is a CO2 MIG, and C25 is your third option. Then you have your MMA stick and lift TIG function. So that's pretty simple. On the left we have voltage, and I'm thinking wire speed. There's really nothing on these controls in the manual. And on the right is our amps. Now this is only going to let me go up to 160, being that I'm on a standard outlet. If I use that adapter and plug into the 220, I'm guessing it's going to let me get up to 200. But that's really simple, sleek, simple to use, easy to use. So let's go ahead, get some wire in there. I have with me some Lincoln 035 flux cord wire. I don't have the gas with me, so let's get this installed and feed some wire, and let's weld something. First thing we're going to do is make sure the wire feed wheel is at 1.0 facing out. That would be 0.35, which I am using. The other side is 0.8, which is for 0.030. There we go. The moment of truth. A little on the cold side. Let's crank it up a little bit. That is nice. That is not bad at all. Maysent 200. We're going up a notch. Sweet. Well, ladies and gentlemen, not too bad at all. The Maysent 200 4-in-1 multi-processor, $225 on Amazon. I mean, if you guys are looking to keep something in your garage, around the house, repair a lawnmower, fence, whatever, man, you got to look into this option. Not bad at all. Look, by no means do I consider myself a professional welder. I'm a DIY guy, always have been. I do appreciate a tool that can do the job as well as any other and save you money in the process. So one last look. The Maysent 200 4-in-1 multi-processor MIG welder. $225 on Amazon. Go check it out. Save you guys some money. Fantastic welder. I enjoy making these videos for y'all. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll make sure these videos keep coming, man.